This is a really great brush for cats. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a really nice self-cleaning cat brush. All you have to do, brush your cats, push the button, and the fur comes right off, so you can just continue brushing. It is a slicker type brush, but the needles have this little rubber tip on them, which makes them feel softer on your cat. I absolutely love this feature because cats can be super sensitive to brushes, and I feel like this feature makes the brush feel softer to them so they can enjoy it a little bit more. Kind of like a kitty massage. This brush can be used on long-haired cats or short-haired cats, and honestly, you could use it on dogs as well. It will help remove mats and tangles from your cat's fur. Brushing your cat keeps their coats really nice and soft, and it promotes a healthy coat. This brush is a good size, it's not too bulky in your hand, which is nice. I feel like we have good control when we're using it. Always remember when brushing your cat, don't force it. Take your time, be patient. Over time, your cat will learn to trust you brushing them, and they will learn to enjoy it. If you're looking for a nice, self-cleaning cat brush for your cats, we recommend this.